Our next question is from Beth. How do you scale up a mulch pit? I'm considering planting hazelnuts in a circle, but each hazelnut needs a 6-foot planting space, which is much larger than the 1-foot planting space of a small pit. Is there a way to do this with a larger pit? Is there a way to do this fitting the plants into a smaller circle? Well, what happens to plants that have branches instead of just branchless stems, like the palms, bananas and papaya, is that they tangle right up. So I have a row of banana circles here. Now if you make them bigger, you'll find you won't be able to fill the circle. It'll continuously eat the mulch and it'll end up being a dry pit instead of a wet pit. You need a lot of material to go into that pit. So it's really difficult if you're going to try and grow branchy trees in a circle, and if it gets too big, even with bananas and papayas, if you make that twice as big a pit, you'll find you need a truckload of mulch every week to go in there because it will just consume it. But if you walk with me down here to our lower section of our kitchen garden, you'll notice that we have a banana circle on the end here full of mulch, but we also have a deep mulch swale. So although it's bananas, this is a deep mulched wood chip and organic matter swale footpath. Now that feeds that swale mound, so you get the same effect as a mulch pit, but you've got a deep mulch swale. Now you can space your fruit trees along if you're going to grow them that intensely and you have this much mulch. So we use macadamia nut shells, which are commercially available in this area. We use wood chip from the roadside pruners, and any organic matter we want to put into this swale. Now this electrical box ought to go back properly, but this will grow trees spaced so they don't tangle with their branches, and that's one way out of that issue.